Hi there. I'm Michael Taylor Gray, host and coordinating producer of IMRU on KPFK 90.7 FM in Los Angeles. And we are the longest running LGBTQ plus radio show in the world. We've been on the air this year, this August, for 50 years on KPFK. And I am a 58-year-old cisgendered man from the Midwest, from Canton, Ohio. Went to school there, got my bachelor's degree in secondary education, came out here to Los Angeles in 1990 to get my master's from Cal Arts in Valencia. And I bring a sense of natural curiosity to the world around me. I'm always curious about how people have become who they are, what's going on in the world, and how we can elevate and raise our voices, especially in our LGBTQ plus community. And I first came to KPFK years ago when I was interviewed on IMRU in 2000, in the year 2000, 24 years ago, when I was a part of Southern Baptist Sissies, written and directed by Del Shores and starring the late, great Leslie Jordan. And I am just thrilled to be hosting the show now, and I'm so grateful to be able to be on the air on KPFK and to lift and raise the voices within our community. So thanks for tuning in, and we hope you keep coming back.